Subscribe to Speak a Tale and hit the bell icon for inspiring content and life-changing ideas. Hello, beautiful dreamers. Welcome to Speak a Tale, where we don't just dream, we create. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to building a vision board that doesn't just hang on your wall but comes alive. This isn't about cutting and pasting pictures. This is about designing a life so vivid, so magnetic, that it pulls you forward with unstoppable force. Ready to transform your dreams into reality? Let's begin. 1. Start with your soul's whisper. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now, ask yourself, what does my soul ache for? Not the surface-level goals, but the ones that make your heart race and your spirit soar. A vision board isn't about what looks good, it's about what feels good. Here's the twist. Don't just think about what you want, think about who you want to become. Do you want to be fearless, generous, unstoppable? Your vision board should reflect not just the destination but the person you're becoming along the way. Example. Imagine a woman who dreams of writing a novel. Instead of just pasting a picture of a book, she adds images of a cozy writing nook, a cup of steaming coffee, and a sunrise, symbols of the discipline, creativity, and peace she'll cultivate as she writes. 2. Break the rules. Make it a living vision board. Forget the traditional corkboard. Your vision board should evolve as you do. Create a digital vision board on your phone or computer. Use apps like Canva or Pinterest to add new images, quotes, and affirmations as your dreams grow. Or, go bigger. Turn an entire wall in your home into a vision board. Use sticky notes, sketches, and even objects that represent your goals. For example, if you're dreaming of financial freedom, add a golden coin or a mock check with your desired amount. Example. A man I know created a vision jar alongside his board. Every time he achieved a small milestone, he wrote it on a piece of paper and dropped it in the jar. Over time, the jar became a tangible reminder of his progress. 3. Infuse it with emotion. Your vision board should make you feel something every time you look at it. Don't just add a picture of a beach because you want to travel. Add it because you can feel the sand between your toes, hear the waves crashing, and smell the salt in the air. Here's a game changer. Write a letter to your future self. Describe the life you're living, the person you've become, and the emotions you feel. Place this letter at the center of your vision board. Example. A young entrepreneur wrote a letter describing her first $100,000 in revenue. She detailed the excitement, the gratitude, and the pride she felt. 2 years later, she read that letter on the day she hit her goal, and burst into tears. 4. Add the unseen. Symbols of your inner growth. Your vision board shouldn't just focus on external achievements. Include symbols of the inner transformation you want to experience. Want to be more patient? Add a picture of a serene lake. Want to be more courageous? Add a lion or a soaring eagle. Example. A woman who struggled with self-doubt added a mirror to her vision board. Every morning, she looked into it and repeated, "I am enough." Over time, her reflection became a symbol of her growing confidence. 5. Activate it with rituals. A vision board isn't a one-and-done project. It's a living, breathing tool that requires energy and attention. Create a daily or weekly ritual to connect with it. Light a candle, play inspiring music, and spend a few moments visualizing your dreams as if they've already happened. Example. A man I coached set an alarm for 11:11 every day. When it went off, he paused, looked at his vision board, and said, "I am grateful for my dreams coming true." This simple ritual kept him aligned and focused. 6. Take bold, inspired action. Here's the truth. A vision board is only as powerful as the actions you take. Your dreams won't magically appear. You have to chase them. Use your vision board as a compass, guiding you toward opportunities and decisions that align with your goals. Example. A woman who dreamed of becoming a public speaker didn't wait for an invitation. She started a YouTube channel, practiced speaking daily, and networked relentlessly. Her vision board reminded her to keep going, even when it felt hard. 7. Trust the mystery. Finally, surrender the how. You don't need to know every step of the journey. Trust that the universe will meet you halfway. Sometimes, the path to your dreams will look nothing like you imagined, and that's okay. Example. A man who dreamed of owning a restaurant ended up starting a food truck instead. It wasn't what he pictured, but it led him to his ultimate goal, and taught him invaluable lessons along the way. Dreamers, your vision board is more than a collection of images. It's a mirror of your soul, a map of your destiny, and a testament to your courage. It's proof that you dare to dream big, and that you're willing to take the steps to make those dreams real. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your scissors, your magazines, and your heart's deepest desires. Start creating. Start believing. And remember, the life of your dreams isn't just possible, it's already on its way to you. If this video lit a fire in your soul, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a spark, and subscribe for more tools to turn your dreams into reality. This is Speak a Tale, reminding you that you are unstoppable. See you in the next video.